Today I'm going to show you how to get an internet browser on your Nintendo Switch. While the Switch doesn't have a dedicated browser app, there are some creative ways to access the internet. Let's get started. First, let's use a quick trick involving the hotel login page. This method is a bit unconventional but works. Connect your Nintendo Switch to a Wi-Fi network. This could be at a hotel or any public Wi-Fi that requires login. Once you connect, open the system settings and navigate to internet settings. Select your Wi-Fi network. If a login page appears, you can use the built-in browser to access the internet. Another method is using a DNS service that allows access to a web server. Go back to the internet settings and select your Wi-Fi network. Then choose change settings. Scroll down to DNS settings and select manual. Here you can enter a custom DNS server. Popular options include 1.1.1, that is Cloudflare, or 8.8.8.8, that is Google. Once you've entered the DNS, save your settings and reconnect to the network. After setting up the DNS, you can try accessing the browser again. Try loading a website by entering the URL in the browser that appears through the login method or DNS service. Note that the browsing experience may be limited, but it's a handy workaround. If you have a hacked Nintendo Switch, you can install a third-party browser like Firefox or web browser NX. Keep in mind that this method involves modifying your console, which can void your warranty and leads to ban from online services. And if you're comfortable with this, follow tutorials specific to homebrewing your Switch to install this browser. And that's it. You now have several ways to access an internet browser on your Nintendo Switch.